Can an e-bike actually replace your car? That's exactly what ENGWE says their brand new L16 was built to do. So over the next few days, I'm leaving my car in the garage and putting the L16 to the test. Grocery shopping, running errands, taking Charlie for a ride, and using it just like I would everyday life. By the end of this video, we'll find out if the ENGWE L16 really can replace your car, or if it's just another e-bike making a big promise. Hey guys, this is Daddy O with the O family, and today we're taking a look at the brand new ENGWE L16.
Okay.
Now this isn't designed to be the fastest e-bike or the most extreme off-road machine. Instead, ENGWE built the L16 around one simple idea: replacing your car for everyday trips.
Is that so?
Whether you're commuting to work, picking up groceries, running errands, or taking the kids around the neighborhood, this bike is designed to make those short trips easier, more affordable, and a lot more enjoyable.
Are you sure?
This is a dual battery version equipped with front basket, rear rack, and child seat. So instead of just talking about the features, we're going to use them in real life and see how practical this bike really is.
Okay.
We'll cover the unboxing, assembly, performance, ride quality, comfort, cargo capacity, battery life, and of course the pros and cons. But more importantly, we'll answer the biggest question of all: can the ENGWE L16 actually replace your car?
Maybe.
Let's find out. So they did send several boxes. I think one for front rack, rear rack, maybe extra battery, child seat. So let's go ahead and put this bike together. Get this box open. Okay. As you can see, everything arrived really well packaged with plenty of foam and zip ties to keep the bike protected during shipping. So let's get everything out of the box and see what comes included. And here it is. I have to say I'm really liking the champagne color. The ENGWE L16 is available in either champagne or black. I think this one really stands out. Along with the bike, you get everything you'll need to finish the assembly, including the owner's manual, left and right pedals, the included toolkit, front reflector, bell, front fender, the hardware for the front wheel, an extra set of brake pads, and the front brake rotor that we will be installing in just a few minutes. Now that everything is out of the box, let's go ahead and get this bike put together. Assembly was actually pretty straightforward. I started by installing the front brake rotor using the included hardware, followed by mounting the handlebars and getting everything lined up before tightening it down. Next, I installed the front wheel, making sure the brake rotor was properly aligned with the brake caliper before tightening everything down and giving it a quick spin to make sure there wasn't any rubbing. From there, it was just a matter of installing the headlight, front fender, display bell, and pedals. Just remember the left pedal tightens counterclockwise while the right pedal tightens clockwise. After making a few final adjustments to the handlebars and display, the main assembly was complete. Since this is the dual battery version, there are a couple of extra steps. Installing the second battery takes a little more time because you'll need to remove the side cover, route the battery cable through the frame, reconnect the wiring, and secure everything back in place. It's not difficult, but it does require a little patience. ENGWE provides a detailed installation guide, so if you decide to pick one up, I'll definitely recommend following it step by step. Once the second battery was installed, I mounted the child seat and front basket, made a few final checks to make sure everything was tightened down. And just like that, the ENGWE L16 was ready for its very first ride. Now that we got everything put together, let's take a closer look at the all-new ENGWE L16. I have to say I'm really liking the overall design. The champagne color has a clean, premium look to it, and once you add the front basket and child seat, it really starts to feel less like a recreational e-bike and more like something you could actually use every day. One thing that immediately stands out is this oversized front basket. It's much larger than what you typically see on most e-bikes, which should make carrying groceries, backpacks, or other everyday essentials a whole lot easier. Powering the L16 is a 750 watt rear hub motor that puts out to 1500 watts of peak power and 75 newton meters of torque, giving you plenty of power for everyday riding, climbing hills, and carrying extra cargo. It's rolling on 16 by 4 inch fat tires, which should provide a comfortable, stable ride, whether you're cruising around the neighborhood, riding on bike path, or taking on some light gravel. Out of the box, the L16 is limited to 20 miles per hour to meet Class 2 e-bikes regulations, but where local laws allow, it can be unlocked to reach speeds up to 28 miles per hour.
Nice.
And we'll test that a little later in the video. Now let's talk about what really makes the L16 stand out. Its dual battery system. The standard model comes with 48 volt 18 amp hour battery, while this dual battery version adds a second 48 volt 23 amp hour battery, giving it a claimed pedal assist range up to 150 miles under ideal riding conditions. For a bike that's designed to replace your car, having this much range means spending less time worrying about charging and more time just riding.
Nice.
Up front, you get a suspension fork to help smooth out bumps, along with 160mm hydraulic disc brakes for a confident stopping power when you need it. The L16 has a maximum payload capacity of 264 pounds and weighs right around 100 pounds with both batteries installed. The seat height measures about 33.8 inches, and while ENGWE recommend riders from 4 feet to 6 feet tall, personally I think riders around 5 feet and under may find it a little tall when getting on and off. At 5'10" though, it feels very comfortable for me. Moving up to the handlebars, everything's laid out nice and simple. Over on the left, you got your power button, plus and minus button to adjust your pedal assist, a dedicated headlight button, and an information button to cycle through your ride data. The color display is bright, clean, and easy to read, showing your speed, battery level, pedal assist setting, trip information, and other useful ride data at a quick glance. Over on the right side, you'll find the Shimano 7's speed shifter, making it easy to adjust your gearing whether you're climbing a hill or just cruising around town. You also get a twist throttle for those moments when you just want to let the motor do the work, along the comfortable ergonomic grips, hydraulic brake levers, and of course the included bell. Overall, everything feels clean, easy to use, and very beginner friendly, which fits perfectly with the L16's goal of being an everyday transportation e-bike. Alright guys, right out of the box, the max speed is 20 miles per hour, but they said that you could unlock it by twisting the throttle and then hold the brake lever for seconds and then turn on the power, and then you hold this for about 10 seconds. 1, 2, okay. I think that's unlocked. Now it should be able to go 28 miles per hour. Oh yeah, 29.9.
Nice.
As you can see, that's how you unlock the speed. Right out of the box, it comes 20 miles per hour. That's max. If you want to unlock it, twist the throttle. Whoa! You twist the throttle, hold the brake lever, and then turn on the power button and keep holding on to it for 10 seconds, and that should unlock it, as you can see. All right, so let's go ahead and take this out for a spin. Okay, so right now we are on 0 pedal assist, and bike is light enough that you should be able to ride this like a normal bike. As you guys can see, no problem. I do not feel like I'm struggling here just paddling. Going about 7 miles per hour. Let me go into pedal assist 1 now. Eco mode, the motor kicks in, as you guys can hear, easily going about 14, 16, 17, no problem there. Let me do pedal assist 2, 17, 18, 20. Surprisingly, with only front suspension, even with these bumps, feel comfortable. And I don't know, because the wheel and the way the frame is set up is lower to the ground. Very easy to control, maneuver. Now I'm going to pedal assist 3. 22. It is super windy here today. Pedal assist 4. Oh yeah, kicking a little more. 25, 26, 27, 28.
Wow.
Man, surprisingly, this got a lot of zip to it. And the brake is great. Now, finally, pedal assist 5. Guessing this is gonna go 29, maybe 30 miles per hour.
Are you
That's
sure about
surprisingly
that?
cargo bike. It's got a lot of zip to it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, 29.9. That's pretty fast for a cargo bike like this. And the ride is really smooth, surprisingly, only with the front suspension. All right, now I'm gonna do only the twist throttle, 28.9. And I do like the screen. It's nice and bright. I can clearly see and read the speed off the screen. A little bit of downhill right now, 29.9. That's the highest it'll go for twist throttle and pedal assist, 29.9. The ride is super smooth, easy to control. It's got enough power. It's great for beginners. Great to haul your kids around. And with a dual battery like this, with 150 miles, you could easily replace your car. And with the crazy gas prices nowadays, getting one of these everyday commuting will save you a lot of money. And for what you're paying for this bike, quality of this bike and what it offers, I mean, you're getting bang for your buck for sure. I've been taking Charlie for fun rides, taking him into daycare, grocery shopping. We've been enjoying it. This is super fun. Over the past several days, the ENGWE L16 has become part of our everyday routine. Instead of automatically grabbing the car keys, I found myself taking the bike for a lot of those shorter trips around town. Whether it's picking up Charlie up from daycare, man, let's go.
Yeah, I have ice cream sandwich.
Thank you.
Yeah!
Ice cream?
Oh, that's a bike?
Ice cream sandwich.
Mm.
That's a pretty neat bike.
I ran on a bike.
You ridden on a bike? You have a bike at home. That looks pretty far.
You ready?
Yeah, I have enough.
You ready to hop in?
What do you think?
Yeah, we're getting on
I'll
the
help
bike.
you.
This looks cool.
There we go.
This is the coolest bike. It can fit small persons.
Mm-hmm. You
Yeah.
ready?
Like this?
Yep. Are you ready?
Yeah, I only have 1,000 for bike.
1,000 bikes.
Yeah.
Running a quick errand or heading to the grocery store. I got you. It's been a fun and practical way to get around while saving a little money on gas. The front basket has come in really handy for carrying groceries and everyday essentials. And with the child seat on the back, Charlie absolutely loves coming along for the ride. And honestly, not every ride has to be about getting somewhere. Some of our favorite moments have simply been riding around the neighborhood, heading to the park, or just spending a little extra time together outdoors. For me, that's what makes the ENGWE L16 different. Yes, it's a practical way to get around, but it's also given us another excuse to spend time together as a family while making those everyday trips a little more enjoyable. Alright guys, after spending some time with the ENGWE L16, let's wrap things up with the pros and cons. As always, these are just my personal opinions based on my experience using the bike, and your experience may be a little different. Starting with the pros, the biggest prize for me was just how comfortable this bike is to ride. Even though it only has front suspension, it does an excellent job soaking up bumps. I think being a little lower to the ground combined with those 4-inch fat tires really helps create smooth and comfortable ride. I also found the bike to be very easy to control. Whether I was riding around the neighborhood, running errands, or taking Charlie along for the ride, it always felt stable, predictable, and confidence inspiring. Performance was another pleasant surprise. Once I unlocked the speed, the bike felt much more responsive and plenty of power to make every ride enjoyable. It's not trying to be the fastest e-bike out there, but for commuting, everyday transportation, I think it has more than enough power. And then there's a dual battery system with the claimed pedal assist range of up to 150 miles. You can spend a whole lot more time enjoying the ride instead of constantly keeping an eye on your battery level. Finally, when you look at everything you're getting from the performance and comfort to the cargo options and incredible range, I honestly think the L16 offers a lot of value for the price. Now for the cons, and honestly these are more nitpicks than anything. The first is that I would have liked to see integrated turn signals for a bike that's designed around everyday transportation. I think that would have been a really nice feature to include. The second thing I noticed was with the child seat. When Charlie was riding in the back, there were a few times where his leg got close to mine while I was pedaling. It wasn't a huge issue, but I do think the child seat is probably better suited for younger kids. And finally, with both batteries installed, the L16 weighs right around 100 pounds, so it is on the heavier side. That's not something you'll really notice while riding, but you definitely will if you ever need to lift it or move it around. Other than those few things, I really enjoy my time with the ENGWE L16. It delivers exactly what it was designed to do, a comfortable, practical, and fun e-bike for everyday transportation. So can the ENGWE L16 actually replace your car?
I don't know.
Well, if you're talking about those shorter everyday trips like running errands, picking up groceries, commuting to work, or just getting around town, I honestly think you can. And that's what really makes the L16 stand out. Instead of focusing on being the fastest e-bike on the market, ENGWE built something that's designed to fit into your everyday life. If you're interested in learning more, I'll have my affiliated link down in the description below. You can also use my exclusive discount code, the O Family, to save an additional 10% on your order. So definitely check that out if you're interested. I hope you guys enjoyed today's review and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future reviews, family adventures, and more. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.